Good morning, teacher. My name is Juan David Lima Sanchez, and today I come to present my poster about precautions to avoid overweight. What are diseases? Diabetes and heart diseases are health problems that can be caused by being overweight can also affect a person's joints, breathing, sleep, mood, and energy levels. 34 and being overweight can affect a person's entire quality of life. And here you see some diseases. What you should do about overweight? Number one, do exercise every day. Number two, eat healthy. Number three, stop eating fast food so often. And exercise to do and lose weight fast that you will like. Number one, climber. So really you have seen these images. It is as if you climb infinity stairs, and the truth is that they are very good. Number two, do walk. If you have a space to walk or a partner, walking is a great exercise. It strengthens your reading. Number three, jump rope. It is a wonderful exercise and one of the best to lose weight. And remember that you always have to exercise. This is very good for your health. Thank you.